Good morning, traders. Good afternoon to some. Hope all is well. All right, morning. Are we ready to do this and do it well to close out our week? You guys ready? All right. Listen, I used to sit down in front of my computer every morning. I used to briefly close my eyes and tell myself that this morning is going to be one of the very best trading mornings of my life. Now, quite naturally, that usually didn't happen. But I would say it every morning to myself. I would put myself into that mindset that I'm going to be strict. I'm going to be disciplined. I'm going to play what I know. And this is going to be one of the most disciplined trading mornings of my career. That at the end of this morning, I'm going to look back and see nothing I did wrong. Not a single mistake, not a single flaw. And I used to tell myself, whether I make money or not, that's besides the point. I can only control what I do. And I want to make sure that what I do is correct. And I used to say that to myself every single morning to put myself into that mindset. All right, so that's something I actually suggest as a practice for some of you. You don't want to be one of these traders that just simply blankly and blindly and very vaguely moves into every single day. It's almost as if their every day is the same Monday. Tuesday is really Monday as well. Wednesday's just another Monday. Thursday's Monday and Friday's Monday. You don't want to be one of these traders that just wakes up, rolls out of bed, turns the computer on with this vague notion of just hoping that today is better than yesterday. You want to be specific with your approach. You want to make promises to yourself. You want to hold yourself accountable every single morning. You want to focus on making today better than yesterday, better than last week, better than any other point in your trading career. This is how you grow. This is how you train your mind to focus. You got it? Do you understand? All right. Let's get ready to do this. We have a little bit more than 5 minutes to go before the open. This is a perfect time to take a look across your watch list, your family of stocks, to see which stocks are indicated at this particular point to open up above their key moving averages or the fabulous four, or which stocks are indicated on your list to open below those key moving averages or the fabulous four. Are there any excessive gaps? Like Microsoft on my list looks like it's indicated to experience an excessive gap up here in the 140 area. Yesterday's close was 136.25 more or less. So this is a fairly excessive gap for Microsoft. It's not normal. So that would be one that you might focus on a little bit more off the open than others, should Microsoft be one of the stocks in your family. So you basically want to take your list and divide them into several categories. Are there any excessive gaps that's away from the key moving averages of the fabulous four? And that's one category. Then the other categories, which ones are just slated to open up regularly above? And which ones are slated to open up regularly below? There's another two categories. And is there anything that seems to be poised to open up right around the 200 period moving average, because as I've always taught you, one of my favorite plays is a violent surge off the 200, up or down. At the first bar, is a violent move up, and that violence originates from around the 200, or that first bar is a violent surge to the downside, and the origin of that surge to the downside is around the 200 period moving average. So these are the categories that I divide my stocks into, at least mentally. And I start this process about 5 minutes before the open. This will give you a good head start on what should get a little bit more of your attention off the open, so that you're not scattered all over the place. All right, guys, let's get ready to do this. It's time. It's Friday, last day of the week. Let's close out on a very positive, powerful note, so that we go into this weekend feeling good about our progress and move into next week with even a heightened level of excitement and passion and readiness. 45 seconds, 30 seconds, 15, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom! Love it. I love this game. I love it. I love it. JD coming out of the block strong. Still a little bit too early to do anything, but coming out of the block strong. Those of you who play PayPal, a little interesting explosion off of its late day base from yesterday as well. My Apple players, we got some strength coming into Apple as well. The excessive gap in Microsoft, not so unexpectedly stalling. JD, after 1 minute, holding its strength pretty well. QCOM exploding out of its trap zone and pretty close to its 200. Guys, I'm going to take a short here in Microsoft. This is going against the excessive gap to the upside. I'm going to see where this takes me. I will likely stop out above the highs here. All right. We'll see. I want to see how those highs are taken out, though. So it's a possibility that I stop out and regroup above the high of the day and see how maybe the round number is dealt with. But we're going to see how this works. JD strong, remaining strong this morning. All right. There's mine. There it is. Come to Poppy. Come to Poppy. Yeah. Boom. Boom. There we go. There we go. Boom. 3K. Boom. I love it. I love this game. Give it to me, baby. Give it to me, baby. Let's see if I can get this. Here we go. Gotta love it. Oh, shoot. Covered too much, guys. I'm always doing that. You know? Always. Anybody take that with me, guys? All right, cool. Loving it. All right, guys, help me out here. We're 5 minutes into the trading morning. Who's making money? Después de 5 minutos, ¿quién es ganando? ¿Quién es ganando dinero? I love it. I love it. I love it. Boom. All right, guys, I couldn't keep my 3K. I made a mistake. I lost like $400 on the mistake. I had, what is it? Yeah, I had like $3,200, but I put too many orders beneath me, like right down here around just before the round number of 139. I had too many, and so this move down filled me. And no, it was up here. I went long, and I went long instead of just covering all of my short. I had too many orders, so it took me out and made me long in this additional drop. I just got out. I should have maybe tried to hold it, but usually, guys, when I make a mistake, I just exit. I don't play around. I've kind of learned to be that way throughout my trading career. I usually don't try to finesse or anything. I can, let me just take the $300 or $400 loss. So $2,700 on that play, but I did have like $3,100 in it. What else are you guys doing? What are you doing? Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. What are you doing? QCOM? Whoa, a lot of people in QCOM. Nice. Okay. Nice powerful bar there. What's this Baba doing? Dropping. Oliver wants more. Oliver wants more. More, please. No. Oliver wants more. Boom. Yeah. There we go. You know the deal. Yes. All right. 9 minutes into the trading day. 2 trades. Boom. Boom. Con mis bebecitos. That's right. You're my babies. Google Gaga. Google Gaga. Los bebés.